What if I told you that holding two passports, a seemingly innocuous act of global mobility, could actually put your freedom, your hard-earned finances, and even the very trajectory of your future at significant risk? It's a complex issue, layered with nuances that often go unnoticed until it's too late. We're not just talking about a simple administrative detail, we're delving into the heart of international law, tax implications, and the potential for unforeseen legal entanglements. And yet, paradoxically, embracing dual citizenship could also open doors to a world of global opportunities you never even imagined possible. Think of expanded business ventures, easier international travel, and access to education and healthcare systems beyond U.S. borders. The duality is striking, isn't it? Welcome to the shocking truth about U.S. dual citizenship, a reality that's often glossed over in travel brochures and aspirational social media posts. This isn't about the surface-level benefits, it's about the deep, often hidden implications that the authorities never explicitly tell you. It's a world of complex regulations, potential tax burdens, and the ever-present risk of inadvertently running afoul of the law. And here's what you must know, the critical information that could safeguard your assets and your peace of mind before it's too late to rectify any potential missteps. This is about informed decision-making, about understanding the full scope of your rights and responsibilities as a dual citizen. Dual citizenship sounds undeniably glamorous, right? Two identities, each with its own unique cultural heritage and legal framework. Two sets of rights offering a broader spectrum of protections and privileges. Double the freedom, the ability to navigate the world with unparalleled ease and flexibility. But here's the catch. The often overlooked caveat that can turn this dream into a potential nightmare. The U.S. government, while acknowledging its existence, doesn't officially encourage dual citizenship. They maintain a neutral stance, neither actively promoting nor explicitly forbidding it. This ambiguity creates a legal tightrope that dual citizens must carefully navigate. You're essentially operating in a gray zone, a space where you're simultaneously empowered by the benefits of two citizenships and exposed to the potential pitfalls of navigating two distinct legal systems. This duality demands a heightened level of awareness, a proactive approach to understanding your obligations, and a willingness to seek expert advice when needed. It's not about fear-mongering, it's about responsible citizenship in a globalized world. It's about understanding that with great power comes great responsibility, and that holding two passports requires a commitment to upholding the laws and regulations of both nations. This is the key to unlocking the true potential of dual citizenship while mitigating the inherent risks. Let's break it down and explore the enticing world of dual citizenship. The perks. Imagine unrestricted travel between two countries, the freedom to hop between continents without visa hassles. Picture yourself owning property abroad, a villa in Tuscany or a condo in Costa Rica. Envision eligibility for work, education, and comprehensive healthcare in both nations, opening doors to new career paths and educational opportunities for you and your family. Dual citizenship paints a rosy picture, a life of expanded horizons and endless possibilities. But like any significant life decision, it's crucial to look beyond the glossy brochure and understand the full scope of what you're signing up for. What they often don't tell you up front is where the hidden dangers lie, the potential pitfalls that can turn your dream into a financial and legal headache. Here's the shocking truth, the reality check that many dual citizens discover too late. As a U.S. citizen, the long arm of the IRS reaches across borders. You're taxed on your global income. No matter where you live, no matter where the money is earned. This means that even if you're residing full-time in another country and paying taxes there, you're still obligated to file a U.S. tax return and potentially pay U.S. taxes on that same income. This can lead to double taxation, a significant financial burden that can quickly erode the benefits of dual citizenship. It's a complex web of regulations and requirements that demands careful planning and expert advice. That dreamy Italian villa you bought, the one you envisioned as your retirement paradise. The U.S. wants a piece of the profits when you sell it. Capital gains taxes apply, and you'll need to navigate the complexities of international tax law to ensure compliance. You must report foreign bank accounts if they hold over $10,000 combined at any point during the year, or face fines of up to $100,000 or more. These penalties are not just theoretical, they are actively enforced, and the IRS has become increasingly vigilant in tracking down unreported foreign assets. The Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act, FATCA, has given the U.S. government unprecedented access to financial information held by foreign banks, making it much easier to detect non-compliance. Dual citizenship doesn't erase your U.S. responsibilities, it multiplies them. You're now subject to the laws and regulations of two countries, creating a complex web of obligations. Failing to understand and comply with these obligations can lead to serious consequences, including hefty fines, legal penalties, and even the loss of your U.S. citizenship in extreme cases. Before taking the plunge into dual citizenship, it's essential to seek professional advice from tax advisors and legal experts who specialize in international law. They can help you navigate the complexities, understand your obligations, and develop a plan to minimize your risks and maximize the benefits of your dual citizenship. Feeling overwhelmed by the complexities of renouncing your U.S. citizenship? Many believe it's a simple escape, a straightforward solution to complex problems. But think again. The path to relinquishing your American passport is often fraught with unexpected challenges and intricate legal hurdles. It's not a decision to be taken lightly, and it certainly isn't always the easy way out that it appears to be on the surface. However, don't despair. There's still a smart, strategic way to navigate this complex landscape and achieve your goals. The key to a successful transition lies in careful planning and, most importantly, choosing the right second passport, a citizenship that aligns with your personal and financial objectives. This isn't just about finding any alternative citizenship, it's about finding the one. A passport that opens doors, simplifies your tax situation, and provides the security and freedom you're seeking. The world is full of possibilities, and several countries offer attractive options for those seeking a second citizenship. Let's explore a few examples. St. Kitts and Nevis. This Caribbean nation has long been a favorite for global entrepreneurs and investors, offering a well-established citizenship by investment program. It's known for its relatively quick processing times and attractive tax benefits. Portugal, with its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and favorable tax incentives for expats, Portugal has become a popular destination for those seeking a European base. The Golden Visa program offers a pathway to citizenship through investment, and the non-habitual resident NHR tax regime can provide significant tax advantages. Panama. If you're looking for a lower cost of living without sacrificing quality of life, Panama might be the perfect fit. This Central American nation offers a stable economy, a welcoming environment, and various visa options that can lead to permanent residency and citizenship. Ireland, for U.S. citizens with Irish heritage, claiming citizenship by descent can be a relatively straightforward process. Ireland offers access to the European Union, a strong economy, and a vibrant culture. Before you jump into the application process for dual citizenship, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and ask yourself some critical questions. These questions will help you determine if dual citizenship is the right path for you and ensure a smooth transition. First and foremost, can I legally hold dual citizenship with this country and the U.S.? While the U.S. generally permits dual citizenship, the laws of the other country may have restrictions. Understanding these legal frameworks is paramount. How will this affect my taxes and reporting requirements? Dual citizenship can significantly impact your tax obligations, both in the U.S. and in your new country of citizenship. Seek professional advice to understand the implications and ensure compliance. Will I be required to serve in a military or swear allegiance to another country? Some countries have mandatory military service requirements, and others may require you to swear an oath of allegiance. Be aware of these obligations before committing to citizenship. What benefits will I gain, and what will I lose? Carefully weigh the advantages and disadvantages of dual citizenship. Consider factors such as travel freedom, access to healthcare and education, and potential changes to your lifestyle. By addressing these questions up front, you can make an informed decision and embark on your dual citizenship journey with confidence. Dual citizenship is powerful, but only if you know how to use it wisely. It's not just about traveling freely, it's about building a global life with your eyes wide open. Now you know the truth they never told you about U.S. dual citizenship. This isn't about fear, it's about freedom through knowledge. So before you apply or travel, do your homework, protect your rights, and make informed decisions. Like this video? Hit that like button, subscribe for more real, eye-opening insights, and drop a comment below. Are you considering dual citizenship? Let's talk.